Hi, I'm Dennis with Mega Air, and we're in Slidell putting in the second Bosch Bova unit for this house. We put one in back in April, and they liked it so much they called us about a week ago to put this one in. There wasn't nothing wrong with the unit. They just wanted to replace it because their electric bills are so low. They have a 7.5 kilowatt solar panel on the roof, or solar system, and they just about don't ever have an electric bill until maybe May. And now with both systems being Bosch, they probably won't ever get an electric bill because these two systems draw such a low amperage that the 7.5 kW system they got for solar will offset their electrical usage. They're very quiet. That's the decibels, 65. And that's when I'm running in higher speed. We just turned them up on, and the house is warm, so the speed is up a little higher than normal. These things will quiet down to about 55 or 56 decibels, but I'm talking louder than the units make noise. We're going to go inside and we're going to talk to Mr. Broom. He lives here with his mom. His mom's about 94, and he's going to tell you how he likes the system. We're inside now with Mr. Broom. He lives here with his mom, and he's going to tell you how he likes the system. He was telling me earlier how the air is so much more dehumidified that his asthma doesn't bother him. So.
Yeah, with the old system we had, I could tell when they put the new system, y'all put the new system in the bedroom area, I did not have, overnight I did not have the problem with using asthma medication and stuff like that on a regular basis in there. And when I would come into this section of the house, I could feel the difference in the temperature and the humidity and everything. So it's made a difference, 100% difference in the operation of the house in itself. And also, I find the volume of air used when the old system was in the back bedroom area wasn't as good as what the current volume of air is. And it's not, the temperature seems to stay a lot closer to normal when you set it. It doesn't get as hot.
What about your electric bills? Did they come down a decent amount?
They come down some. I mean, we have seen some decrease in the electric bill.
Well, now that you got the second one in the area that you use the most, you're probably going to you might wind up like you are before it gets hot and you start having to run the ACs. You might be down close to zero.
Well, that's what I'd like to see as much as possible, because the old system constantly ran in there, and hopefully this new system will cool the house and maintain the cooling of the house and won't run as much and will help save some more money.
It definitely will. I think you'll notice a big difference when you get your next bill. So I have to call you up and see what they are.